The leaves of the willow are turning yellow above the rushing stream. Ragged are the bushes, rusty now the rushes, frost on path is seen. The thistle now is older, its stalk begins to moulder, its head as white as snow. The branches are all barer, the blackbird's song is rarer, the robin whistles now. For 60 million years the garden snail has been around. Its slime acts as suction, it can hang upside down. They come out at night, but if it's a rainy day, then you will see them coming out to play. Munching up the green leaves, leaving shiny, slimy trails. Look very carefully and find a garden snail. Slugs are similar to snails, have no shell on their backs. Feed on mold and rotting wood, can be orange or black. They like damp, warm weather, hibernate all winter long, sleeping under logs, or they might come into your home. Among the dustbins on the street, the young fox walks on dainty feet. He swings his tail, prepares to fly. If a fierce dog should come by, the night is quiet, he looks around, goes on his way and makes no sound. A wild creature on our street, the young fox walks on dainty feet. Rain to the wind said, you push and I'll pelt. Hit the garden bed and the flowers all knelt. Rain to the wind said, I'll splash, you blow. Coming from the east, soon there will be snow. Drops will turn to ice, you blow day and night. Cities, towns and countryside, all blanketed in white. Caterpillar looping up and down, little tufts of hair along your back of golden brown. Munching leaves all summer long, now you're too big for your skin. Soon you will go pop, not able to fit in. Creepy, crawly caterpillar looping up and down, little tufts of hair along your back of golden brown. Then you wrap yourself in silk, sleep for many a day. Then lovely butterfly spread your wings and fly away.